It's an apple day. Which color should I buy? What? You want to know how I am feeling? For that, watch the unboxing video till the end.
Finally, I came to my new home.
I'm so
Hey,
excited.
it's too much dark inside. What are you waiting for, girl or boy? I don't believe that only girls can buy pink or rose gold. And finally, a hope of light. Hooray, run the scissor fast. No, do it again, it's not happening. I must say, you are such a mess. Don't you know, first impression is the last impression. Never mind,
Unboxing seems like a
now
struggle.
what? Not again. I am stuck, I am stuck. I am struggling more than a human child delivery.
Finally, it's out.
So let me introduce myself. I am iPad Air 4. I am 10.9 inch and I can last up to 10 hours non-stop. I have Touch ID and Face ID as well. And I am perfectly flawlessly designed and made with care by Apple. I am powered by iOS 14 and also can do multitasking. Hey girl, are you even listening? Am I in a roller coaster or what? Why the hell are you making my head go round? And now you are tickling me. Stop doing this and already get the unboxing done.
1, 2,
Oh
3.
dear, so you are a girl. Introduce yourself please. Do you like me? I know I am beautiful, outstanding. Alright, so which country you are in?
This is actually so light.
No reply. Okay, just get done with the settings in iCloud. Then I will get to know your name anyway.
Some ASMR voice.
Hello. So which language to greet you with? Let me guess. Hola. In Spanish. Hello. In German. Bonjour. In French. Konnichiwa. In Japanese. I think you understand English. Yes, so where I was at. These speakers are both my ears and mouth. And I have one front eye and back eye. And this logo, half-eaten apple, this is what makes me this costly.
Where's India?
Okay, so you
Got
are
it.
Indian. And your name? Ah yes. Ipshita. Biswas. I welcome you, Ipshita.
Thank you.
Yes, how can I help you with camera?
Oh my god, this is actually a replacement of mirror.
Okay, you are also beautiful. But less than me.
This is actually so cool.
You can check out other artistic instruments as well. Do you play any of these?
穏やかに実を結んだ試しがないやっと思いを遂げたとなると戦争とか死とか病気とか
Music. Oh yes. I love it. I am saying, you are pretty.
Who says? You're pretty, you're beautiful, and you're worth it.
So finally you are looking out for the other things in box. This is my charger. And electricity is my food. It is actually fast. It is 20 W USB-C power adapter and lightning cable. And this the surprise card and manual. I gift you the sticker of Apple to show off. This is brand advertisement, but I will call it a gift. Ha ha ha, jokes apart. Now the manual, which you probably won't read. Yes, you did not.
Okay, these.
Wow, are you gifting me? Oh wow. You bought me a screen guard and a smart back cover. I am so happy in my new home. So sweet of you, Ipshita.
No, it's not pink. Guess the color?
Yes, unbox it in front of me. I just can't wait to see my new dress. I think it will fit me perfectly. Oh great. You bought me a pencil as well. Thank you. This is Notepad.
Hi, welcome to my
Hi,
channel.
welcome to my channel. Do you have a YouTube channel? Well, I will just check through Google. Hardly Ipshita. It is. Hey everyone, if you want to see me and Ipshita collabing and studying together, please subscribe to her channel. It's too much fun to swing. I am so light feather-like. Don't you think? That's why I am iPad Air. But handle me delicately. But I have a question. Usually people buy digital pencil to draw, illustrate, or to study and annotate. I can't wait to know you more, my friend. Can I call you friend? Ipshita. I am sure you won't mind.
Let's use this sticker already. I really think it will look good on this cover. Let's try.
Well, so you used the sticker. It looks nice on me. Wow, this cover actually works like a stand. I must say, I am impressed. So tell me, how can I help you? Let's start studying. Hey, Ipshita. What happened? Are you leaving me already? Please come back. I am sad. Don't leave.
I won't. And I love you.
I love you too. Wait, what did you just say? Can you listen me?
Yes? Ma, I actually have something crazy to say you. My iPad is talking.